I'm in front of Momex World Street right now in Faridabad, where we have one franchisee option. So this is the main entry of the project, and there are three entries. One entry is on that side, where the market starts, and one entry is on that side, and only that side we have Zudio into that street, and then the proposed area which is into the same building where the Zudio is. So this is the main entry, and this is all parking area of this space. So, and on the front side, on the other side of the road, there are some more commercial areas which are under development right now. This is Mansa Vega. Before we were taking that place on lease from Mansa Vega, but they are offering high rental like 160 plus cam, so that was not possible as per the business feasibility here. So that is Vibrant project sector 82 from Amolik. Then there is one more building under construction, that is Galleria, and one more Amolik 82 after that project that is not in sight from here. And then Vipul Plaza on that side, and here it is connecting to the main metro station. And this is here one circle which is called TPS circle, and we have one school as well, higher secondary school here, Emerald Convent, into this same premises. And next to these flats here one school is there, and this is all residential flats here from the same project Omex. Now I'm going towards the proposed property, which is into the street on the right side from here. So these are the all vanilla shops here: Puma, Red Tape, Tulsi, United Colors of Benetton, then Abhushan, Home Sweets, Home Gifts, Wishes. And the good thing is, like, the parking area is in front of these shops only, so customers just parking their cars and going away into this shop. And right now this is the most happening place of Faridabad, because most of the brands are here and all the categories for shopping available here, along with the restaurants. This is Carlson restaurant, Chinese restaurant here on the left side, and here it is VLCC on the first floor. And this is the street which is connecting to the Homex mall as well, which is under construction right now. And here is Mr. Diaway, Blue Tokai, Cafe this Taylor. And here is one more entry to this place. Some work is going on, so it is closed right now. And this is adjoining to the studio, and our space is there into this same building. And we have the entry to the market as well from that side. And this is the atrium area of this building, main atrium, which is connected to this lane and the backside lane as well. So this will be our property which is opening this side. There are these 4 shops in the ground floor, 1 2 3 4 till corner, and 6 shops on the first floor, like 1 2 3 4 5 6. And this building is having opening on 3 sides. So further these are the shops, and 2 more SCOs are there, left and right side into that area. And this is the entry to those flats, and one more entry to the shop. These flats are from here inside, nearby to that Emerald school. So this will be the corner property, and opening will be on this side, same as Zudio, and even that side, this side as well. And this is the entry to the main Word Street Market. So it is connective road to the residential area of these flats and to the inside market as well. And we will be having this side, the back side also open. If we want opening from this side, we can take one opening here and one opening into that lane. And this will be here open here on this location as well, and facing to these all small restaurants and everything. And this market is still there. So even one more entry gate to these flats is there.